You know that feeling? You have a big task due, but you suddenly decide you must organize your spice rack first? That's the procrastination monster whispering sweet, unproductive lies. We all struggle with it. But what if I told you there's one simple, powerful weapon to defeat that monster instantly? It's called the 5-minute rule, and it works every time. The rule has two parts. Part 1, the quick elimination. If a task can be done in under 5 minutes, do it right now. Don't write it down. Don't add it to a list. Just eliminate it. By using the rule for small tasks, you clear the mental clutter that keeps your brain distracted. Part 2, the momentum starter. But what about the big projects? The ones that take hours and feel intimidating? Here's the secret extension. Commit to starting the task for just 5 minutes. The goal isn't to finish. The goal is to break the initial friction. Once you've typed the first sentence, made the first phone call, or opened the terrifying spreadsheet, momentum takes over. Those 5 minutes turn into 20, then an hour, and suddenly the project isn't so scary. Your brain is tricked. Procrastination isn't about laziness. It's about a resistance to starting. So, stop planning to plan. Defeat the monster by shrinking the starting line. Try the 5-minute rule right now. What small task can you eliminate the next 5 minutes? Let us know what you finished in the comments below. Start now.